Hello YouTubers, entrepreneurs, millionaires, multimillionaires, future millionaires. Want to do a short video. Before I get started, I want to say my name is Ali Obaid, and on this channel we talk about entrepreneurship, starting your business online, leveraging the internet, using affiliate marketing, and quitting your 9-to-5 job. If this is something you're interested in, then you're at the right place at the right time. And has offers or businesses or whatever it is that you have to offer and sell online. And the most important or the number one thing that we all look for as far as business owners is traffic, and that's what I'm proposing for you guys today. I have two traffic methods, one utilizing TikTok and one utilizing Facebook groups. The TikTok method is only $1. The link's going to be in the description. And the second method is you get to try it for 30 days for free, and then after that I believe it's $10 or something really small, dismal, basically, comparing to the amount of profit and the big checks that you're going to be getting from collecting these leads, and on autopilot, by the way. You just set up the system once and automatically start working for you. You don't have to do anything with it. If this is something you're interested in, whether utilizing the Facebook or utilizing the TikTok, click the link in the description and you'll be able to get started today. I don't know what else to add on to this. I just didn't I didn't prepare for this. I just went ahead and fired up the camera and went on and wanted to share this with you. Oh, one thing I do want to share with you guys, that both of these methods are 100% effective. I've tried them myself, and the training that you're going to get is incredible, especially on the TikTok platform, which is $1. You're going to be trained by people that have been doing it for some of them a long while, some of them a short while. But even the people that just jumped on this recently, they're actually seeing results, immediate results, and that's what we need. We know success loves speed. We want things to kind of succeed right away, or you want to see results right away. And that's what this TikTok strategy will show you how to do. And it's only $1. In the event that you don't get any leads or don't make any profit or any money out of that, you can always send one email and get your dollar back. It's a 30-day money back guarantee. And the same goes with the Facebook training. The Facebook training, basically the TikTok method, it just shows you how to do 30 seconds video or a minute video and just go live on TikTok and basically promote the offer that whatever it is that your offer is, and put your link in the bio. But they show you step-by-step strategy on how to do it, and they give you a lot of tips and tricks that they actually utilize, whether it's hashtagging, or there's a lot of different strategy that you can implement to kind of like boost your ranking on TikTok. And the same thing goes with the Facebook training. It's what it teaches you to do is build a Facebook group, and by using this Chrome extension that will connect to your Facebook group, it will allow you to extract. You don't have to actually do anything. It's all done for you. The traffic start coming in. The way they teach you how to set it up, it's very clever. You just set up your Facebook group, and the traffic start coming in. And every time they come in, you're collecting their information and you're plugging it in into your autoresponder. I'm gonna put the video in, or actually, when I put the link in the description, click on it, it'll show you a training video. It'll basically give you a quick rundown, and also you're gonna have a quick rundown on the TikTok. Both of these are gonna be in the description. But the Facebook method is very clever, because what it does, you set up your Facebook group, you install this Chrome extension, and the then the extension automatically takes all your people that sign up for your Facebook group and put them on an autoresponder, and they become your customers, and you start promoting offer to them, because they're all people that are interested in doing online business. So they're definitely what's the word I'm trying to think of? It's not good leads. It's customer with intent, so to speak. I can't think of the right word, just for lack of a better word. Basically, they're coming in wanting to learn how to make money online. So if you promote to them offers that are related to that same topic, there'll definitely be more. The opt-in rate will be a